All right, guys, up on a roof leak finder mission in Upper Marlboro, Maryland. When I pulled up, I thought I was going to see the issue causing the leak around these two dormers, but this is the issue. Blown off ridge caps, and you'll see it's only a 12-year-old roof, but definitely needs to be serviced. I'm not going to go back out on this again, but this chimney flashing's in rough shape, all loose where the caulk line is. So I'm just going to do a tune-up. I will come back with some ridge cap shingles and put on new caps, because this is not a discontinued shingle, and of course this roof is completely repairable. This is just going to be a quick repair and roof tune-up. How you like this? That's something there. Unique design.